BMW has facelifted the 2 Series Active Tourer and 2 Series Gran Tourer MPVs for 2018, with updates to their powertrains and subtle styling tweaks. Under the bonnet, the Active Tourer and Gran Tourer received new efficiency-boosting powertrain tech, and all engines benefit from a friction-reducing machining technique, and diesel models get a selective catalytic reduction system that uses AdBlue to reduce NOx emissions. These engine tweaks increase power in the petrol engines by up to 7 bhp and torque by up to 7 pounds-foot, while fuel efficiency has increased by around 5%. BMW has also upgraded the fuel injection system. The updated MPVs are now available with a more efficient 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox, with the 7th gear given an especially long ratio for greater fuel economy on long, fast journeys. Petrol engines in the Active Tourer emit between 127 and 132 grams/km of CO2, with fuel economy ranging between 47.1 and 50.4 miles per gallon. Diesels emit as little as 113 grams/km CO2, rising to 124 grams/km for the most powerful model, the 220DX Drive. Fuel economy ranges between 57.6 and 65.7 miles per gallon. The 225's plug-in hybrid returns a claimed 57 grams/km CO2 and 113 miles per gallon. At the front, the kidney grills have grown, while the front bumper now features larger air intakes, while at the rear, larger exhausts and a revised bumper complete the exterior tweaks.